mountains? Who made the trees? Who made the rivers flow to the sea? And who sends the rain when the earth is dry? Somebody bigger than you and I. Who made the flowers to bloom in the spring? Who made a song for the robins to sing? And who hung the moon and the stars in the sky? Somebody bigger than you and I. He lights the way when the road is long. He keeps you company, and with his love to guide you, he walks beside you, just like he walks with me. When we're filled with despair, who gives me courage to go from there? And who hung the cross that will never die? Somebody bigger than you and I. Bigger than you and I. You and I. Thank you.